Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set an alarm ringtone on a Realme phone. So let's get started. First, open the clock app on your Realme phone. Now go to the Alarm tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you can either create a new alarm or tap on an existing alarm to edit it. Once you are inside the alarm settings, look for the alarm ringtone option and tap on it. If you are trying this for the first time, it might ask you to give permission for the clock app to access music and audio on this device. Just tap on Allow. Now you will see all options. You can use device ringtones, or even use your own music. For this, just tap on this device, then search and select the ringtone you want. Or you can also use the phone's default ringtones. Just select classic or nature, depending on the tones you want to use. Simply tap on any ringtone to preview it and choose the one you like. After selecting your ringtone, just go back, and it will be saved automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.